In this video I'm going to show you how to stop someone from deleting apps on your iPhone. So what you want to do is open up settings and then you want to search for screen time. Tap on screen time and then click on content and privacy restrictions. Now if we are here, you of course need to turn it on and set up a password, and from here you're going to see a lot of different things you can do. But what interests you is iTunes and App Store purchases. You need to enter your password and then you can say installing apps, deleting apps, or in-app purchases, and you can say don't allow or allow, and of course require password. If you require a password, it's basically the password of your ID. Here you can do a bunch of different things, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.